How far can an aircraft truly stretch its mission when it can glide onto water as effortlessly as a traditional runway? In this episode of our specialized aircraft series, we explore the unique world of amphibious planes that have made waves through daring designs and unconventional engineering. From early prototypes to modern variants, these machines brought bold ideas to aviation by transforming how pilots approach remote locations and adventurous missions. Their technical surprises and unusual features reveal a level of versatility that goes far beyond functional tricks. Stay tuned, because the final aircraft on our list carries a secret that continues to astonish even the most seasoned aviation enthusiasts. Starting our countdown is the CMAX M22, a compact and nimble amphibious aircraft that transitions effortlessly between water and land. Powered by a single Rotax 912 ULS engine, producing 100 horsepower, it reaches a maximum cruise speed of 116 knots or 215 kilometers per hour and offers a range of approximately 550 nautical miles or 1,019 kilometers. With a service ceiling of 12,000 feet or 3,658 meters and a fuel capacity of 25 gallons or 95 liters, this machine provides the freedom to explore remote regions that remain out of reach for conventional aircraft. The CMAX M22 lifts off in just 500 feet or 152 meters and lands in only 400 feet or 122 meters, whether operating from water or a runway. Designed to accommodate two occupants in a practical layout, the airframe offers a balanced mix of adventure and utility for pilots and explorers alike. It remains a highly capable choice for tight spaces and remote missions with a current market price of $189,000 to $215,000 US. Securing the second place is a Carbon Cub EX3, a lightweight performer built for extreme short takeoff and landing capability while still delivering serious range. Powered by a CC363i engine producing 186 horsepower, it reaches a maximum cruise speed of 126 knots or 233 kilometers per hour and stretches out to 665 nautical miles or 1,232 kilometers. With a service ceiling of 18,000 feet or 5,486 meters and a fuel capacity of 44 gallons or 167 liters, this machine opens access to lakes, rivers, and remote terrain that conventional aircraft simply cannot reach. The Carbon Cub EX3 launches in an astonishing 90 feet or 27 meters and lands in just 155 feet or 47 meters, delivering true backcountry performance for narrow strips and isolated locations. Seating 2. It blends raw adventure with practical versatility through a lightweight construction paired with razor-sharp responsiveness. It remains a standout choice for aviators who crave freedom beyond traditional runways, with a current market price of $180,000 US. Before we continue with the rest of this list, please give us a thumbs up and share your feedback and suggestions in the comments below. We can't wait to read your comments to see what you think of this video. We have plenty of info in the description box too, so please check them out to see other ways for you to support us. And if you find it hard to look for our videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. so it will be easier for you to see our aircraft videos whenever we release them. Dominating this lineup is the Dornier Sea Star, a twin-engine powerhouse built for pilots who demand power, reach, and true multi-role versatility. Unlike typical amphibians, this platform pairs substantial size with confident land and water performance across demanding environments. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney PT6A135A engines producing 650 shaft horsepower each, it cruises at 180 knots or 333 kilometers per hour and covers approximately 650 nautical miles or 1,204 kilometers. With a service ceiling of 15,000 feet or 4,572 meters and a fuel capacity of 363 gallons or 1,374 liters, it is engineered to transport explorers or rescue teams across vast distances that smaller aircraft simply cannot handle. The Dornier Sea Star requires a takeoff distance of approximately 2,244 feet or 684 meters on land and 3,445 feet or 1,050 meters on water, while landing is achieved in about 2,620 feet or 799 meters on land. Accommodating up to 9 passengers, the aircraft delivers generous cabin space and operational flexibility across a wide range of specialized missions. It remains one of the most capable amphibious machines in its class with a current market price of 7.2 million US dollars. These amphibious aircraft reshape the way pilots approach water landings and unlock destinations far beyond the limits of conventional runways, with each model introducing bold engineering ideas that continue to captivate aviation enthusiasts around the world. Which aircraft from today's list would you want to see up close or even fly yourself? What is the one feature that makes an amphibious plane a must-have for your own personal hangar? Share your pick in the comments and let us know which specialized aircraft series you want to see next. And until the next flight, fly safe.